Hello everyone, it's Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to review a product that launched late yesterday by Branson Tay, and that product is Read4Money. I'm a little bit confused about the title Read4Money and the claims that are made on the sales page, but we'll talk about that when we take a look at the sales page. I do have access to the members dashboard, so we can go over and have a look at the inside of what Read4Money is all about. I was a little confused about how they are linking Amazon with this particular product, but I will explain that as well. Then what I want to do is go over and we'll have a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide that Read4Money is a product that you can use as a freelancer on Fiverr or people per hour or whatever platform that you use to make money, because it is a useful piece of software, but I don't think it's about Read4Money, as we will find out when we take a look inside of the members dashboard. So let's go over and have a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick up Read4Money through my link, and that link will be the first link in the description box below this video. So let's go over to my bonus page now. Okay, so here we are on my bonus page with my bonus bundle. If you decide to pick up Read4Money through my link today. Now, basically it's saying it's a breakthrough, it's an Amazon loophole, but I've checked out the members dashboard, I've had a look at some of the training videos, and the only link with Amazon is that it's a software that pulls in articles from the Amazon web. Basically, it pulls in a lot of different articles on various different topics, and the pays $11 per minute is basically you need to be connected to some platforms like Fiverr and people per hour and be like a freelancer who can offer your services. So it's not that you're just going to start reading something and then get paid. It's just not that. It's basically articles that you can look at, edit, and then sell and get paid money. So this is Read4Money, and obviously the claims, like I've just explained, how you can read articles. It's not particularly that way, this software, but it's still a valuable piece of software, as we will see when we go inside of the members dashboard. Now, prices and upsells on this funnel, it's starting on the front end at $19. There's an upgrade of $47, a further upgrade of $297, another upgrade for $97, a fourth of $47, another one for $167, the sixth upgrade $297, and the seventh upgrade is $67. Now, if you click on the first link in the description box below this video, you can go and read about all of the upsells inside of the funnel and make a decision as to whether or not this particular piece of software and the upsells are something that is going to be useful to you, especially if you are someone who is already on Fiverr, people per hour, or other freelancer, for example, platforms. So I encourage you to read through all of the different upsells. Now, my bonuses, if you are deciding to pick this up today, is access to lockdown formula. Now, that was a training that was done 2020 to help people to understand how you could start and make money online. Then you have access to online entrepreneur. Again, another program which takes you step by step all the way through how you can get yourself set up as an online entrepreneur. And then we've got bonus number 3, use Instagram influencers for your traffic. And then we've got Access Nova, which is all the upsells, and it's on the first 12 hours only. So that is another bonus. And we have I have a special invite, which will give you access to a free web class. Now that free web class actually takes you through 3 different methods that you can use to actually start making money with a YouTube channel. 3 different methods. One is with no paid ads, and then you've got 2 further methods, and this is the free web class that you can have special invite to. And then the 5th one is you get access to all the vendor bonuses as per usual, and this particular product is via Warrior Plus. So in order to access bonuses, if you decide to pick this up, it's the blue button at the bottom of your receipt. So that is the bonuses that I have available if you're deciding to pick up Read4Money through my link in the description box below. Now let's have a look at the actual software for Read4Money. So this is the software for Read4Money. Now what I did was I went in and just wrote a simple search word, which I put in domestic abuse, because I was wanting to test out this software. And so I got various different articles all about domestic abuse. So you've got lots of articles here, and basically what you can then do is promote yourself within various platforms, like I say, because what this does is when you click on this icon here, it opens up the text, and this little button here, which is the grammar bot, you click on the grammar bot and it checks the grammar and makes sure that everything's okay. Now this here is where you can actually connect to some platforms where then you can be selling these articles to lots of different people who want content. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Go, people per hour. So if you can connect to these channels and promote yourself as a freelancer, you can use this particular software to then generate the articles for other people and then sell them. So if we take Fiverr, for example, I just did a quick search there, so I'll just take you over. Here is Fiverr. Now you can see that you've got people here who advertise in their services, that they can write content, 23.25, 46.50, 13.95. Here it's 93 euros, 41 euros. This one writes content for your website, 116 euros. So obviously these people are promoting their services as article writers, and people obviously get various gigs. People go in search for these type of things, so they don't have to write these articles themselves. So Read4Money is a software that will generate articles in almost any type of niche. For example, if you are in Make Money Online, then you can type in Make Money Online and then do a search. And straight away, as you can see, you've got 7 top ways to make money online. Make money online, 5 characteristics of successful marketers. How to make money online for beginners. You've got to try this. Follow this great article about how to make money online. Make money online for newbies. So if you're actually in the Make Money Online niche, look at how many articles that this particular software is going to give you when you do that particular search. And what you can do is then use an article, combine some articles, sell the articles via the platforms that we've got linked to this particular software. People per hour, Fiverr, Upwork, all of these are already linked. Now, I was a little bit intrigued when I first went into this particular website as the members dashboard, because I was thinking, well, where is the training? Where is the videos? So I actually clicked on my training here, and it takes you to a separate area, which is, it opens in a new tab. So here we have got the training, and what it does, it takes you through various different videos, which is sort of over the shoulder videos. You've got the overview, the read content, which is what I've just basically shown you, that you can actually search on any different subject. For example, pets or dogs, or, you know, dog training is one. You could just basically search for any particular item, diets, diabetes, whatever it is. Just do a search within the software and it will bring up articles. Then it's got a video here on edit and publish the content, and then it's got about Facebook posts to Facebook. Then you've got your comment and your growth tools, and then you've got your SMS, and then you've got email. So using this tool to search out different things and how you can actually use it. What I checked out was the fact that one of the articles I looked at, I opened into a Google document, and I actually then used the Google document to look at the document that I'd copied and then check for the editing using my own edit software within the Google document. And they did have a lot of things that you can correct before you post. So that was one thing that I thought was a little bit deceiving, because when I copied the article and posted into this Google document, there were one or two errors which needed to be corrected, but that was simply done. So basically, well, this is where you find your training, and then if we go back to the main page, you've got a drop down list here, Facebook money, which takes you through Facebook posting, multimedia posts, call to action posts, carousel and video posts, comment growth tools. So there's a lot within the software. Then you've got the SMS, which is SMS settings, campaigns, templates. Then you've got email. Obviously you might already have an email system, an autoresponder. But if you're going to use this particular software, you can set up campaigns and templates, email templates, but you just need to be searching on this main thing here. And how it uses, how it's the Amazon's, the loophole, is it's pulling in these articles from around the web, which are articles that are reproduced via Amazon. And so that's how the software is working with this loophole from Amazon. So that is basically my review for Read4Money. Now, I do think it is a useful tool in the way that it pulls in the content. You just need to be careful that when you actually look to edit, or when you check the grammar, that this particular grammar is correct before you just basically share an article or do something. As you can see, I've highlighted this text, and then it's got various things that it's pulled up like this. There's no gap here between the question mark and the my, and the website can be, take the hyphen out. And then you've got another one, there's no gap here between the dot and the there. So basically what I would do is just go to copy this particular thing, go to a document and paste it into a Google document, and then use your own editor. As you can see, I have a Grammarly tool already installed, and then this is how you can then just change up the text, get rid of the errors by using your own software. Once you've created the document So as you can see, then that's what I would recommend, to actually use a document, a Google document, to look at the text that you are editing, and then this is where you can read, and then save it as an article that you can actually sell on or post to your own blog. Find affiliate offers that you can put in, because obviously when you're doing a blog, obviously the thing that you're looking to do is make money online. So that is my review for Read4Money, and don't forget that I have the bonuses available and the special free web class. Invite to the special free web class, which will show you 3 different methods of how you can start to monetize YouTube channel and get started online. So that is all for today, and I will see you on the next video review. Bye for now.